today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to improve Etsy SEO. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. So once you opened your browser, just go to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and of course if you are logged in into your account, you'll find yourself with this home or main page and with the welcome back sentence with your name or username here. Of course, if you click on it, it will take you into your favorites. So of course, if you are not logged in into your account or you don't even have an account, you'll find at the top right corner a sign in option instead of all those icons. Click on it and you'll be able to log in into your account or even to create your account if you want to. Of course, you will be able to do both options even with your Google account, Facebook account, or even an Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account or even logging in into your account. Once you did one of those options, you'll find yourself here with this home or page or with this main screen and with the welcome back sentence, right? So as we said in the beginning of the video, I'm just going to tell you some or 8 SEO tips to help your customers find you. So of course, the first help or tip is just to include your primary products on your shop title. So of course, if you go here to the shop manager, let me just show you shop listing. If you go here to the listing, you'll find all your items. So make sure to include your primary products in your shop title. Then you'd like to use some keywords in your listing. So try to look for what are people actually looking for and make sure your item is relevant to the keyword. Of course, you would like to avoid using the same keyword too often because that will not improve your SEO. Of course, you would like to use all 13 tags in each listing and you would like to front load listing with keywords. Then you will have to renew your listing regularly and promote your shop to get inbound links. And that will be it. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.